Hello, what's up everyone? My name is Shockz. No, my name is Shockz. What? Who the hell are you? My name is Shockz. If he can say that, Shockz, so he's Shockz. Say that? Okay, I will say that. Shockz. What? Shockz. Okay, I meant. What's up everyone, my name is Shockz. Welcome to another Beatbox tutorial after a
long time.
So today I'm going to teach you Hollow Clop and the variations of it. If you like beatboxing and gameplays, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload my new tutorials, gameplays, beatbox stuffs, a lot of new videos. Okay, let's go for the first one. The first variation of Hollow Clop sounds something like this. I use it a lot in my beats, for example, this one. As you see, I use it a lot in my beats because it's useful and it's easy and it sounds cool. So I divided it in two parts. The first part, you know it of course, the simple clap like this. I'm pretty sure that you all can do this, so let's go for the second part. In the second part, you should make a pressure on your tongue that it's on the top of your mouth like this. This is the top of your mouth and this is your tongue. And you should smack down your tongue on the bottom of your mouth like this. With a suction, inward suction, and with a pressure. Keep it up there. And smack it down and flip it down on the bottom of your mouth. And that creepy sound will come out of your mouth. I think the most important thing that you should pay attention on is that pressure and timing on your tongue. It's here and you suck the air in and it goes down like this and it makes a sound. And if you see you are practicing and you sound something like this, not like this, it's because you are not opening your chest, your throat actually. What that means, we have two kind of voices, oh and oh. We want to use the oh sound, the higher voice, because in that sound you open your throat and that transforms that to. So open your throat. Oh, oh. Try to practice that and you will learn that sound. Okay, that was the first variation. If you learned this, let's go for the second variation. I call the second variation floating Hollow Clop because your tongue is floating in your mouth like this. And you make that sound with no pressure and nothing. You just bring down your tongue when it's here, it's floating here, and you bring it down, bring that down. And you see, I'm not making any pressure, I'm just doing it very easily and simply. You can do it very fast after you learn it. And by changing the position of your mouth and the shape of it, you can change the sound. Easy peasy for Shockz. By the way, don't forget to drink water because it's your best friend in beatboxing. And the difference between that variation and this variation in the beats is something like this. First variation, the second variation. You see the first one is taking more pressure and the second one is taking lower pressure. And the tip I said for the first variation is useful for the second variation too. If you see you sound just like, open your throat and you know, that's make it cooler, deeper, creepier and better. I hope you learned something guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down below, I will answer you. And if you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to motivate me for making better videos. Take care, have a nice day.